Hey everyone, JJ Cagle here. Today I'm going to show you how to set a group photo in iMessage on iOS 14. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into a group in iMessage. And once you are in this group, you can go ahead and change the group photo by selecting the two images at the top and then hitting Info. And then we can change name and photo. You see that under the names of the people in the chat, we see this blue change name and photo. Go ahead and click on that. And you can enter a group name if you wanted to. And you can also choose the group photo. So there are multiple photos to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and choose the rainbow. And you can actually enter any emoji you want to be the group icon. So I'm going to go ahead and put, let's put these eyes. I'm going to put these eyes right here. And then once you've selected the emoji, you can change the background. I'm going to select the blue background. That looks good. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and hit the done button. And then hit done again. And that is now the group photo. So if I go out here, you can see that is now the icon for that group. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Please subscribe.